Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkwo, your accounting software consultant. So today, I'm going to explain and show you how to set up chart of accounts the right way using Zoho Books cloud accounting software. So what is chart of account? Chart of account is a structured list of all the accounts used in a company's financial system. It serves as a foundation for recording all business transactions and organizing your financial data. So in a simple term, chart of accounts is a list of accounts that helps organization in managing their financial transactions. And the purpose of setting up chart of accounts is that it helps you track your income, your expenses, and also monitors your assets and liabilities. And it helps in what preparing your financial statements. That is your statement of profit or loss account, your statement of financial position, your statement of cash flow, etc. And chart of account come with a what? A number. It is called account code. So account code is also a number. It's a number because it helps in what? Creating an account. So that account number helps in what? Creating an account. So using cloud accounting software like Zoho Books, QuickBooks Online, and other cloud accounting software, account numbers are optional. Account numbers are optional. So why is optional is that using cloud accounting, the software actually organizes your account. Even if you don't set up the numbers, it organizes your accounts in order. It structures your accounts even without account numbers. So some companies they use account number while some they don't use account number because the software helps in what it organizes your accounts. Everything is well structured using cloud accounting software. So account numbers are what? Optional. So I'm going to show you how to set up chart of account the right way using Zoho Books. So to do that, you click on what? Accountant. You select chart of accounts. Now let's work with what we have in our case study. So let's go to our case study. So this is our case study. It said the below are the financial records of Charis as at November. You are required to post their financial records into Zoho accounting software accordingly. So these are the list of accounts I want to set up. Then this is the account type. Account type means classification. The account classification, where does it fall in? Is it an asset, a liability, income, expenses, or equity? So that's what account type means. It means the classification of the account that you want to set up. So if you look at it, petty cash fall under cash, UB cash on hand also fall under cash, UBA bank also fall under what? Bank. So now I'm going to explain. Now, when setting up your cash account or bank account, Zoho Books has already what? Created a separate account type for your cash and bank accounts. It is called cash. So if you want to set up cash on hand, you select cash. And also if you want to set up your bank account, you select what? Bank. So what it means is that it still fall under what? Your current assets. When you want to generate your statement of financial position, you will still find them under what? Your current assets. So the software has what? Created a separate account type for your cash and bank account. They still fall under what? Current assets. Do you understand? So if you have used Sage 50 or QuickBooks, you observe that in Sage 50, the account type for your cash and bank, they only made it for only what? The only account type is what? Cash. There's no bank account type. It's only cash. So that cash covers both your cash and bank accounts. So if you are setting up petty cash, you select cash. If you are setting up bank account, you select cash. That is if you are using Sage 50. And also if you are using QuickBooks Desktop, if you have used QuickBooks Desktop, you will observe that your cash and bank account fall under what? Bank as the account type. So what it means is that it still fall under current assets. It's just that they have to like separate both your cash and bank accounts, but they still fall under what? Current assets. Do you understand? They still fall under current assets. So now we're going to set up our chart of account. These are the list of accounts I want to set up. So to do that, you click on chart of account. So what you are seeing here is what we call default chart of account. Default chart of accounts are account that comes when you create a new company. So when you set up a new company, Zoho Books will assign a list of accounts for you. So you will be the one to set up your own account. Do you understand? When you create a new company, Zoho Books will assign an account for you. They are called what? Default chart of account. So all these accounts here are called what? Default chart of account. So now I'm going to set up my chart of account. And when you want to set up an account, you have to check your list of chart of accounts if it is there. So if you observe, petty cash fall under is there already. So there's no need for me to create petty cash. Look at petty cash. It's under what? Cash. So there's no need for me to set up petty cash. So these are the cash account that I have. So now I'm going to set up cash on hand. I'll go to so to set up an account, you click on this plus, click on new, then you select the right account type. You type cash, then the name, you type the name. You can also type the same thing, this name, you can type it in the description box, but it's actually optional. This description box is for you to just to narrate this type of account. What type of account is this? You can just give a brief description of this account. And also, you can actually copy this name and also paste it here as well. So it's optional. So I'm going to click on save. So the next account I want to create, I'm going back to my case study, is what? UBA Bank. And the account type is what? Bank. So I'll click on chart of accounts. I'll click on new. I'll select bank, or you type it. Then the account name, I'll paste it here, which is UBA Bank. And I select save to save it. So the next account is what? Zenith Bank. Copy. I click on what? New. I'll select bank. Paste it here again. Select save to save it. Then the next bank account I want to set up is First Bank. I'll click on new again. Then I'll select bank. So setting up your chart of accounts in Zoho Books is very easy. It's not a difficult thing actually. So the next thing I want to set up is employee advances. So if you look at it, it falls under what? Current assets. I'll go back to my chart of accounts. You move to your current assets. You check if you have employee advances. Okay, yes, I have employee advance. Look at it. So there's no need of me to set it up. So the next thing is what? Prepaid expenses. You check if it's there. Okay, we have prepaid expenses, so there's no need to set them up again. So the next one is furniture and fixtures, which is a fixed asset. So let's check if we have it. Okay, so these are the fixed asset that we have. We have just motor vehicle. So now we are going to set up furniture and fixtures. Select fixed assets as the account type. Then I enter furniture and fixtures. Click on save to save it. If you look at it, it has been added to the list of my account. Then the next thing is what? Equipment. Click on new. Or select fixed assets. So whenever you're setting up an account, ensure you select the right account type. The right account type is very, very important. So if you don't select the right account type, the software will post it in another account type. For example, now you want to set up a motor vehicle as a fixed asset account and you went to go and select current liability, the software will treat it as what? A current liability. Do you understand? So whenever you're setting up an account, ensure you set up the right account type. Then I'll click on save to save it. Okay, so it's telling me that motor vehicle already exists. So that's the beauty of this software. It's telling me that motor vehicle exists, so there's no need of me creating motor vehicle again. So I'll click on cancel. So we move towards VAT tax payable. VAT tax payable, which is under my current liability. So we have it already. Okay, we have just wages payable, tax payable. So since we don't have it, I'm going to set up VAT tax payable as what a current liability. Paste, okay, VAT tax payable. Let me copy it, and I'll paste it here and select save. Then we have wages payable. Let's check if we have it. Yes, we have wages payable. Okay. Then we have loan from First Bank. Check if you have loan from First Bank. Okay, yes, we have loan from First Bank. Then the next thing is what sales. Check if there's sales. Sales is what income. Okay, yes, we have sales. Okay, so since it's there, the next thing is what service fee. Check if you have service fee. We have service fee. Okay, yes, we have service fee. This one that I've set them up already. So we have QuickBooks training fee. Okay, yes, we have QuickBooks training fee. So there's no need to set it up again. So you check if you have advertising expenses. Advertising expenses. Okay, yes, we have advertising expenses. Then you check if you have electricity expenses. So any expenses that you don't have, that's what you're going to set up. Electricity expenses. So you check. Okay, we don't have electricity expenses. I'll click on new. Then I'll type electricity. I'll select expenses as the account type, the right account type. Select electricity expense and I'll click on save to save it. So we're going to stop here. So this is how you set up chart of accounts the right way using Zoho Books. So you can decide to add account numbers. Like I said, account numbers is optional. The system prepares everything in a structured manner.